Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Courtney Marie and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be all about skincare. I went to Sephora and I also went to Ulta and I picked up a couple items that I've seen the girls using and we're going to try them out today. So let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so let's get into this haul. I'm going to start off with Sephora. Well, before I start, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it. So we only have one Sephora where I stay, and you know what that means. They're always out of stock, don't have anything. So I actually ordered my stuff from Sephora.com. Okay, and I don't mind doing that because I love looking at the reviews, honey. Just saying. So the first thing I have is the Caudalie Grape Water. I heard a lot of good things about this. The reviews were great, and it soothes, moisturizes, and it's for sensitive skin, which I very much have. I wonder if it smells like grapes. It don't really smell like anything, but it feels nice. Oh, that feels nice. Okay. Alright, so the next thing is the SOS Tower 28 spray. I heard a lot of good things about this spray, y'all. The reviews were good. I've seen a lot of girls on TikTok use this spray and rave about it. So I'm very excited to use this. It says it helps seriously soothe stressed out skin. It also helps with the appearance of redness, supporting the skin's renewal process. It's for all skin types, especially sensitive skin havers. And also on a website, it had a picture. I know probably some of the pictures ain't true, but it had a picture of a lady when her skin was just really red. It had a lot of bumps or whatever, and then she used the spray and her skin cleared up. That kind of made me buy it. It was good advertising. Let me pat that in. Okay. My skin is feeling real good right now, y'all. I must say. So the order that I'm doing this haul in is the order that I'm going to do my daily skincare routine in. So I'm going to start off with the Caudalie Grape Water, the Tower 28. Next is going to be toner. I got this kit. I don't know if it's just like for Christmas time or if it's all around, probably just for Christmas time, but it's a Glow Recipe Dewy Skin Goals kit. It has the toner, it has the moisturizer, and it has the niacinamide dew drops. So I got it. It was $62. I think that's a pretty good deal for all three. And I think the toner, the toner and the dew drops are both full size. It's a pretty good deal. I was going to get the toner and the dew drops, and then I saw this kit and I was like, I might as well get this. It'll be much cheaper. So let's get into it. So I'm going to take the toner and I'm going to put it on this cotton pad. Okay. And we're going to rub it in. Ooh. Smells like watermelon. Smells really good. It feels nice too. So y'all, I usually use the fresh toner, but I don't know. I may have to use that fresh toner at nighttime and use this during the day. It says that it is hydrating and pore refining. Exactly what I need. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So far, we're doing good so far, I must say. Like, I don't have any complaints on nothing so far. So after toner is our serums. So we're going to move on into our Ulta bag. And I wish most of this stuff was at Ulta because I saved a lot of money at Ulta, y'all. I only paid $2.41 for what I'm about to show you. I got these two serums, the Ordinary Niacinamide and the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. I also got these Drunk Elephant Goldie Bright Drops, and I got the Snail Mucin, all for $2.41 because I had points, honey. I had points. I had $145 off of my purchase. So yeah. Sephora, let's do better. Let's do better with this point system. You know what I mean? Anywho, I'm going to go in with my snail mucin first. It's open because I already used it and I'm in love, I must say. Especially since my skin is more on the drier side. It definitely do what needs to be done. So this is from Cosrx and it keeps your skin moisturized. So I'm going to apply 2 pumps and I'm going to apply it on my skin. Oh, it feels so good. I'm going to rub and pat it in just to make sure that I get an even layer everywhere. Now I'm going to go in with my Ordinary serums, the hyaluronic acid and the niacinamide. So y'all, I have a nighttime skin routine. I do not have a daytime skin routine, but now I do. But I haven't been wearing makeup a lot. So I just been doing a nighttime skincare routine. So I would, of course, take my makeup off, wash my face, do my serums and all that. During the daytime, I will just wash my face, apply toner and moisturize, and that was it. But now that I'm wearing makeup more, I definitely need a daytime skincare routine because I'm starting to see my skin go the other direction. Y'all know if y'all watch my videos, my skin been on one lately. Like, it's just been on one for real. Rub this niacinamide. So now I'm going to go in with the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. Not too much of it, but I'm going to just apply some. I'm going to apply a little bit of dewdrops, not much. Smells good. Next, I am going to go in with my Cosrx Plump and Juicy Vegan Collagen Spray on Serum. Got this from Sephora. And I'm going to just pat it in. And then last but not least for the serums, and then we're going to move into the moisturizer. I got this Topicals Faded Brightening and Clearing Serum for dark spots, discoloration. So yeah, I definitely need this because as y'all see, I don't want to talk about it. So I'm just going to use this right here. And a girl on TikTok used this and she actually had pictures of her skin before, you know, her whole skincare routine. And this was in her skincare routine and she raved about it and said that it really cleared up her skin. So I'm definitely adding this into the routine. On the box though, it says to work your way up. Like, don't use it every day at first. Work your way up to using it every day. It do smell like it got some chemicals in it, y'all. It says use once a week to start and work your way up to daily use. Fade the look of your most stubborn marks, scars, and spots. This serum is packed with purposeful actives that let you kick back and let your worries fade away. I know that's right. All right, now we're going to move into moisturizer. So I really want to try my Drunk Elephant Whipped Cream Moisturizer. As y'all know, the Glow Recipe kit did have a moisturizer in it. Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. We're going to save this for another day. We're going to use this one because I've been dying to use it. So I also got the Say Glowy Super Gel in the shade Sun Glow. So I think I'm going to mix this in with the Goldie Drops. it just sounds like a good combination. It just sounds like it's going to make me super glowy, super bright. You know what I mean? So we're going to mix these two together. I'm going to mix these two together with the whipped cream moisturizer, like a little combo kind of thing. All right, so I'm going to go in with the whipped cream, Drunk Elephant. And I saw a girl on TikTok do this. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, in my Goldie drops. Y'all, I saw a girl on TikTok do this. I said, I have to try it. I have to try this combo. See what it does for me. We're going to mix that. And we're going to apply it to our skin. Oh, it already feels so nice. It's cold and it kind of feels like my Kiehl's moisturizer when I apply it to my face. Yeah, I love me some Kiehl's. Like, you're going to have to be a really good moisturizer to take me away from Kiehl's, honey. I'm just saying. Okay, y'all. We're going to rub that in. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't hit it twist. My hands are definitely glowy. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of my haul slash try on. All of these items are amazing. Sephora, you outdid yourself. I hate going to you, but you outdid yourself. I hate going to you because you cost so much. You take all of my money, but the products is just so worth it. I hope y'all go get some of these products, try it, you know, treat yourself, moisturize that skin. I want an even skin tone. So we're going to keep using these items. We're going to keep using them, see what they do for us. So far, so good. I'm loving everything. I would have to say my faves is definitely the Snail Mucin, the Drunk Elephant whipped cream. It felt so, so good on my skin. And I would have to say the Watermelon Glow toner. It smells so good and it felt good as well. Like I said, you know, we're going to keep using them day by day, see what they do for our skin. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. How my skin look, y'all? It look glowy. I would like to get